Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Year ended 2021, Arvian Khan to Jacqueline Fernandez celebs who made headlines for the wrong reasons. As we get ready to welcome 2022, it's time to reflect on the year gone by. 2021 proved to be a year full of surprises and shocks from the entertainment industry. From Arvind Khan's arrest in the Mumbai court drug case to Jacqueline Fernandez's alleged connection to conman showcase Chandrasekhar and his money laundering case. Check out the celebrities who were in the news this year for all wrong reasons. Shah Rukh Khan's son Arvind Khan was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau for his alleged connection to the Mumbai cruise drugs case in October. The news came as a shock to Bollywood and the entire nation. Later, Aryan was sent to Arthur Road jail in Mumbai. It was after 3 weeks that he returned home on bail. In his tough times, SRK friends such as Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan and Pooja Bedi among others supported him. Shilpa Shetty's husband and businessman Raj Kundra was arrested by the Mumbai police in July for allegedly creating and publishing pornographic films using a mobile app called Hotshots. He was granted bail by a Mumbai court in September. He was also asked to furnish a surety of rupees 50,000 by the court. Things got rocky for Jacqueline Fernandez this year after her name cropped up in connection with the rupees 200 crore extortion case involving Shukesh Chandrasekhar. The actress has been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate multiple times for her alleged involvement in the case. Jacqueline revealed that Shukis had gifted her expensive items such as diamond earrings, hearts, bracelets, 3 Birkins bags, and a pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. Not only Jacqueline Fernandez but Nora Pati is also under investigation by the ED for allegedly receiving luxury gifts from Shukesh Chandrasekhar. In an official statement, Nora claimed that she was a victim in the conman's case and not involved in the money laundering of any kind. Kareena Kapoor Khan weathered the storm caused by the name of her second son Jay gracefully. But another controversy gripped the actress when reports claimed that she demanded rupees 12 crore to play Sita in an upcoming film, which is going to be a reimagination of the epic Ramayana. When asked about her stance regarding the situation, Kareena only spoke about gender disparity in Bollywood. Kartik Aryan was wrote in for a Karan Johar Dostana 2 along with Janvi Kapoor and Lakshya in 2018. The Income Tax Department conducted the survey operation at properties linked to Sonu Sood for 4 days in September. The official had claimed that there are evidence tax of evasion. The Income Tax Department raided the homes and offices of Tapsi Pandu, Anurag Kaishap and other shareholders of Phantom Films in March. The search continued for 3 days. Ever since Samantha and Naga Chaitanya announced their divorce, the actress has become the target of the relentless trolling. Many have smeared her name on social media and even accused her of having extramarital affairs and abortions. Nusrat Jahan has been embroiled in the controversy ever since she announced her separation from her husband Nikhil Chand. This year, she gave birth to her first child, Yeshan. Trolls blamed Nusrat during her pregnancy, but Nusrat is not one to back down. In a strong move, she named Yash Dasgupta as her newborn father. Now they make a beautiful family. After failing exam, 19-year-old medical student dies by suicide in Delhi. 19-year-old medical student of Maulana Azad Medical College died by suicide on Thursday morning. Police said the young woman hung herself from a ceiling fan inside her room in the women's hostel of the medical college in Delhi, IPO. The woman was identified as Divya Yadav. Divya's room partner said that Divya had failed in 2 papers held recently. She said the results were declared on the evening of December 29 and she was suffering from depression since then. In the morning, she was found hanging from a ceiling fan in the room number 64, which was unoccupied. The room was bolted from inside and was forced open by the staff of the hostel. A suicide note for her family was found in the register of deceased. The Mumbai of the deceased was seized for forensic examination. The post-mortem examination was conducted and the body was handed over to her father.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.